Grune Bohnen mit Zwiebel und Speck. Green beans with onion and bacon. A main dish from Germany.
You will need 8 ingredients.
Serves 4. Step 1. Briefly cook the green beans in the salted, boiling water. Step 2. Drain the beans, but save the liquid. Step 3. Sauté the bacon until it's almost entirely cooked. Step 4. Add the onion and sauté it until it's soft. Step 5. Use 1 tablespoon of bacon fat with the flour and cook it until it's lightly browned. Step 6. Slowly add up to 1 cup of the bean cooking water. Step 7. Cook until smooth, seasoning to taste with the salt and pepper. Step 8. Add the vinegar and sugar and serve this sauce over the beans. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.